Today I'm going to teach you on this song called Tian Mi Mi, and after which I'm going to also teach you on the chords that's related to this song and how you can strum, the kind of strummings that you can have to embark on this song, to sing together with it as you play. Thank you. Hi, welcome back again. Now I'm going to dwell on the song, 2 verse and 1 chorus, and after which I'm going to teach you on the chords and how the strumming is like. Do enjoy. 甜蜜蜜，你笑得甜蜜蜜，好像花儿开在春风里，开在春风里。在哪里，在哪里见过你？你的笑容这样熟悉，我一时想不起。啊，在梦里，梦里见过你，甜蜜叫得多甜蜜，是你，是你，梦见的就是你。Okay, I'm going to embark on the song soon. Thank you. Hi. Okay, I'm going to dwell on the 6 strings of the guitar. You know the 6 strings, basically if you buy from a shop, sometimes some people will call it the E high string, where you can see my cursor is pointing, or the B, which is the second thinner string, the G, the D, and A and E. This E and A is the thicker string. You can see normally it is really very thick. So if you cannot remember the letters for each of the strings, basically you can name it in numbers. The highest, the high string E, which is the thinnest, will be called 1. E is 1, B is 2, G is 3, D is 4, A is 5, and of course the thicker string, the last E, is number 6. But do take notice, in the guitar you do see another, in this instance is basically the row. Each individual row is called a fret. Like this one is called fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, fret 4, fret 5, and so on. So today, most of the song that we are going to dwell on is basically on these 5 fret at the moment. So the next one I'm going to dwell on is the C chord. Okay, C chord basically, in fact all the chords consists of 3 main notes, or you call fingering. Okay, if you see the D note here, 1, 2, and 3. If you look at the photo on your right, is D note the 1 is the index finger, and the second finger is 2, and of course the third finger is 3. So you, based on here, basically you can see how the 3 notes or 3 fingers being pressed to form the chords of C. Okay, but please bear in mind, and also do look up for this thing called X, because when they say X, normally at this string, you see I'm not pressing anything, so it's advisable if you can not to play anything on it. Okay, this is a C chord. Okay, the next one will be D minor. D minor basically is formed by also 3 notes. You can see from here, as you heard me earlier on, 1 being the index finger, 2 the second finger, of course the third finger. You can follow it accordingly. And then notice there's another X, is to tell you the thicker string, try not to play anything on it. So this is called the D minor chords. Okay, the next one I'm going to teach is A minor. A minor, as per normal, 3 fingering also. First finger, second finger, third finger. Do take note at the same time, the X, the first string, we are not playing anything. Okay, the next chord, which is the last chords for this song Tian Mi Mi is called G, which is denoted by also 3 fingering, 1, 2, 3. But for this chords instant, you can play everything, meaning you can just strum the whole 6 string to make it sound better. Okay, so these are basically the 4 chords you are supposed to learn. And then, of course, you can hear from me just now how I do the strumming for Tian Mi Mi. So I will do a demonstration in a while, and then you will see how I actually play each song via what kind of strumming. So I'm going to dwell on it. Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to dwell on the strumming. As I told you, you already know the chords. The basically 4 chords: the C, D minor, G, even the A minor. So I'm going to tell you how actually you can do the strumming in each. But it's actually very basic, just a 2 strumming at a time. Okay, let me dwell. Now I'm dwelling on the C chord. You can see from here the C chord, the 3 fingering which I taught you earlier on through the picture from the monitor. Now I'm going to do a strumming. You know your left hand by pressing the chords. Now I'm going to use my right hand here. You can actually fold it into like a pit. You can see my finger. If you got a patron or pit, you can use that and grip it. If not, you can just do like what I'm doing, using your the fingernail you have. Take it as if it is a pit, and then you can do the strumming. The strumming will be like that. It's actually throughout the whole song. Okay, I will do a little bit of focusing on my right hand of how the strumming is like, because of course you can refer to what I taught you early on in the earlier slide. Okay, as the camera go nearer, you can focus on my finger on the strumming. Okay, even you go to a D minor, G, A minor, G. So these are the basic strumming. But you know there's a few times I've stopped the song, right? Because of the way the song is supposed to sing. Like the song like I Mo Ni. You see, there's a stop. So you just follow accordingly as you dwell on the song. Okay, so these are the basic strumming of this song. Hope you enjoy it as you play later on. Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to, for the last part of this sessions or so-called learning, I'm going to sing the whole song to you. You can sing along. If you've got a guitar, you can play along. Or if not, you can refer back to this video later on and then sing along in this last part. And I will show you and I will sing where it's supposed to pause, where it's supposed to strum. Okay, I'm going to start the song now. Tian Mi Mi， 你笑得甜蜜蜜，好像花儿开在春风里，开在春风里。在哪里，在哪里见过你？你的笑容这样熟悉，我一时想起。啊，在梦里，梦里见过你。甜蜜笑得多甜蜜，是你，是你，梦见的就是你，在哪里，在哪里见过你？你的笑容这样熟悉，我一时想起。啊，在梦里，梦里见过你，甜蜜笑得多甜蜜，是你，是你，梦见的就是你，在哪里，在哪 过你，你的笑容这样熟悉，我一时想起。啊，在梦里。Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed the session. Bye bye.